Hey, it's Jake from the Mito team. I'm going to show you how you can use our new Data Copilot to analyze data really quickly in a Jupyter notebook. Data Copilot is a combination of the Mito sheet as well as our new AI features that we've added to Jupyter. So to install, all you have to do is run this command, pip install Mito sheet, Mito AI, which will give you both components. I already have these installed, so I don't need to run it again. The first thing I can do is open up the Mito sheet. This is your visual data frame viewer inside of your notebook. You can import Excel files, you can import CSV files, you can import current data frames you're working with. You can also connect directly to databases as well. I'm going to import a file, which is some fund info. And we see when we do that import, it generates the code down here that turned this CSV file into a data frame. Now I want to make a pivot table. So if you know how to make a pivot table in Excel, you can now do it in Python. I am going to make region, and I want to look at the average risk level for each of the regions in these data sets. Great. And I'm going to come down here, and now let's say I want to come to the AI Copilot, and I want to say, make a graph of region versus risk level. Oh, actually looks like we have this set to count, so what I can do is just come here and set this to mean, and I'm going to do make a graph of region versus risk level mean. And I'll run that. And it's going to give me the code for my chart. If I make this window a little bit bigger, we'll see it gives me the code and a little bit of an explanation of what's happening. So I'm going to click overwrite. That code will get copied in here. I can run this. And sweet, there's our chart. But let's say actually I want the bars to be red instead. So make the bars red. Great, I'm going to copy that in here. And perfect. And here's our chart. We can also make a chart like that in the Mito interface as well. So if I come in here and I click graph, I can do region and risk level mean and choose my chart type, stacked bar chart. There we go. These charts are exportable as well. Interactive plotly charts, what we generate. So Data Copilot gives you a lot of optionality to work with data much faster, get code for everything you're doing, create Python scripts, but also have this visual interface to work with your data inside a notebook.